instruction. Do not use the knife. Only maybe nylon. The level of this or this. Because this is the example. I did not hitting myself because I completing the if you feel the sicknesses, every hit in your body, that is not your original time. But if you did not feel the sicknesses, your original time is happening. Until your body is no mark, with your body is no mark about the punishment, just try the sharpener knife slowly and just feel if you achieving the beams of the universe, because the discipline is depend to your thinking how to discipline the self freedom. Do not do the bad to the people, do not mistaken, because if you do the bad to the people, you have a mistaken. Only the self is giving the punishment. Just complete your boy line and girl line and universe line before you giving the discipline to yourself. And do not hit to the face or the head. Only this. Complete body, arm, foot, the image and neck, that is completely giving the sicknesses, because the truth, the reality is determining the complete reality, achieving. And you feel yourself stronger, no weaknesses, because the weaknesses is the word of the lower body upping, all is disappearing.